Today we have a SteelSeries Rival 300 Black, which we're going to take apart and wash so that it may be used again. Here are the tools that we'll be using: tweezers, spudger, and a screwdriver. We'll start by removing the pads. As always, you should, before doing this, buy new pads, because you can't know how well you can remove them. Now we have 4 screws. And with that, we have the mouse open. We'll remove the top connecting wires. And inside the top half, we have the upper buttons secured with 2 screws. We'll remove those. Now in the top half there's only plastic, and since there's only 1 screw, we should be able to remove the topmost cover with that. Does not want to come off, then we don't remove it. Put the screw back in. The lower half has 1, 2, seems like 2 screws. Let's remove those. With that, the electronics are out, and then we can remove the scroll wheel. Now we can easily clean the wire. We're using some makeup pads and isopropyl alcohol. And there we go, that's mostly clean. Then we can move this away, and we can wash this and the top side. We have some water with soap. We'll do the bottom first, since it's smaller. Now that that's done, we can move on to the top half. This piece seems pretty much done, so we'll move into the scroll wheel. That is probably as clean as I can get it with this way, but it seems that there's still stuff left, so I'm going to throw this into the ultrasonic cleaner, and I'm going to go on rinse the other parts, and let's see if they also have to go in. Time to put Humpty Dumpty back together again. So we'll take the bottom part, we'll take the USB cable, and we'll put that in first. Breaking the USB cable socket is entirely optional. And as we can see, even though a bunch of the USB cable socket is actually missing, it's still going to work fine. These parts are optional. Now we just need to attach the skates. As I've always said, just buy new ones when you're doing this, because you can never know how well you can get them off. And there we go, we're done. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.